Good morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here on this Friday morning. Glad it is the end of the week. We've got a few clouds mixed in with clear skies in central Nebraska, so a partly cloudy start, a little more clearing to the east where it's colder this morning. It gets warmer to the west where the clouds are thicker, and we've got a mix of light rain and snow from about North Platte to McCook, south and westward, and then down into Kansas here. Some light rain or snow, which is going to become mainly rain, but most of it will stay to the southwest of the Tri-Cities today, right in here. If we see anything, it'll be very light. It's not going to amount to much. Other pockets of some very light sprinkles or rain out there tonight. I don't expect a whole lot of moisture out there, though. The other thing we'll watch is it could get rather foggy tomorrow morning in parts of the area here. This model is indicating some very thick fog here, so watch for some locally dense fog in a few spots out there tomorrow morning. And it may linger through a good chunk of the morning hours. Look at that. It's not moving out until like noon. Right there. So it could hold tough for a good first half of the day for those that get it, and then other places could see some sunshine out there for a larger part of the day. More moisture in southwest Nebraska with rain possibly mixing with snow. We'll see. It depends on how cold it is. The quicker this moisture moves in, the colder these temperatures will be out west tomorrow. And then tomorrow night, more of that moisture pushes eastward. Now, forecast models are still really struggling with how this is going to play out Saturday night into Sunday. Whether this is going to be more of a minor system that's going to bring maybe a skiff of snow, or if this is something that could actually produce several inches of snowfall. It's looking like it's going to move across the area, possibly the Nebraska-Kansas border, rain changing to snow. And again, if this happens, we could see a few inches of snow out of this here in parts of south central Nebraska and eventually southeast Nebraska before that lifts northeastward. This is Sunday morning. There's noon, maybe changing back to rain into the afternoon as it warms up. It will be a colder day, though, on Sunday, kind of breezy as well. So I'm not going to show snowfall total map because I'm still not very confident in how exactly this plays. I know we're 48 hours away from this thing getting going here. More than likely it's going to be an inch or less of snow for most of you. But there is that potential that we could get that surprise 2-4 inches of snowfall, maybe a little more in spots, if this thing plays out just right here. So don't be caught off guard Sunday morning if you happen to wake up and there's more snow on the ground than just an inch or less, okay? But the chances are we're likely going to see it on the lighter side of things right now. Most forecast models are trending lighter, but there's just a couple that are trending just a little heavier with this snow. And I don't want you to be caught off guard in case we do happen to get hit with the heavier stuff. Well, for today, high temperatures in the upper 40s, low to mid 50s, coolest in the southwest where the clouds will be thicker today. Tonight we'll drop back into the 20s and 30s for overnight lows, many of us staying above freezing most of the night, so hopefully any moisture that falls, which should be light anyway, will stay liquid. Tomorrow, low and mid 50s for south central to southeast Nebraska, north central, northeast Kansas. But then you go to the west here. Well, first off, up north, it is going to be a chillier day. The biggest question is out west. The quicker the moisture moves in, the colder it will be. So if the moisture lags and takes a while, it may get into the mid 40s, maybe even upper 40s. We'll see. But it just all depends on the timing of that moisture. Tomorrow night, we'll drop back into the 20s to near 30 degrees for overnight lows. So that's why rain will be changing to snow as it gets colder. Sunday itself, it's going to be a chillier day. I'm a little iffy on this. It could end up being much cooler than this for many of us. We'll see. 30s up north, but we may not get out of the low 40s in the Tri-Cities on Sunday. It's going to be a cooler day and probably a little breezy as well. So there's the moisture for Sunday. Monday, maybe another slight chance of rain or snow. Another one of those quick-moving systems will come through, bringing a chance of snow or rain. A little breezier on Monday. Tuesday looks dry for now and slightly better, but still kind of chilly for this time of the year. Wednesday, that 58, that's pretty close to average, actually, by next Wednesday as we're getting towards the final days of March. And then that's short-lived. Another cold front and another system will move through Thursday into Friday, bringing another chance of rain, potentially snow mixed in as well. There could even be some thunder and lightning, maybe some thunderstorms in the warm sector with this one. I'll show you some of the models in just a bit. There is the long-range trends here. So again, a lot of cool weather ahead of us here, especially Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Brief warm-up Wednesday. Chilly again for Thursday, Friday with that moisture returning, and then maybe an early April warm-up. Just a little bit anyway. Let's show you the European model first, long range. So here's today. Moisture mostly in the southwest. And then maybe some rain overnight, but not much. Most of it stays to our southeast. And then here comes the next system late Saturday into Saturday night. Rain changing to snow. This one might produce a little bit of snow in southeast Nebraska early Sunday. Another system Monday brings another chance of rain and snow to the area. Where it goes, that's still a little uncertain. A break Tuesday, Wednesday, for the most part, and then Thursday, here comes that next system, Thursday into Friday. A little more organized, a little more powerful, a little more widespread moisture could be on the way late next week. GFS model. Here's today. Limited moisture mainly to the southwest. Tonight, light rain in a few spots. Saturday, moisture out west, rain transitioning to snow, which will then push eastward. That could produce a decent little snow for us if we get that late Sunday or Saturday night into Sunday morning. And then looking ahead to Sunday night and Monday, another system brings another chance of rain and snow. It's a slight chance, but it's there. Tuesday and most of Wednesday dry, and then here comes the next system. This one's a little more organized. Thursday into Friday of next week here, so that could bring rain and maybe snow to the area as well. So, want to thank you all for watching on this Friday morning. I will see you all again on Monday, a much chillier Monday morning. Hopefully, we're not digging out of any snow. We'll see. But I want to thank you all for watching. I will see you all again on Monday. Take care and God bless. Bye.